Bulldogs, we are going to look at the rich text editor feature of recording and uploading media. So inside of your assignment that you've created or your page that you've created, you're going to click on that, the name of it, and it is a hyperlink. It will take you to the area where you can edit. You're going to choose edit. And then your rich text editor is going to pop in with the area of the page that you can build. We're going to look at this option, which is the record and upload media option. When you click on it, you hit the upload media option. You have the option to upload from your computer a video you've already made, a video you've downloaded, or a podcast, a voice thread, something that you want to upload from your computer. But today we're going to look at the record option. And remember, when you hit record, that means that you're going to show up on the video. It's going to be a video you can record. It'll pause for a minute, and then there you are. So you haven't started recording yet because you have to hit the start record. And when you hit the start record, it counts you down and then it starts your video. So once the video begins, you can talk all you want. Hit the finish button. Then you're going to choose a name. So we might call it fractions or solving fractions. Hit the save button and it's going to pop into your area of right into your assignment. It goes yellow, gray. It pauses for a little bit and spools, and then it pops in your video. Now you are able to type, and it will show up type wherever your cursor is when you start typing. You can move your cursor around the page. Now the most important thing to remember at the bottom is to always hit the save button so that your video saves and your assignment saves. Now, another really important thing to make sure that you do is to make sure that you don't have anything in the background that you don't want your students or their families to see. So that is how you record inside of the rich text editor. Your students have the option to do the same. And just make sure that you clear your background of anything you don't want anyone out in the public to see. And try it on your own right now and then head to the next video.